Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lindsay, founder of PaperSpecs with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. Question: when did stickers stop being fun? Answer: they never did. We just stopped using them for fun things. This is the first thing that hit me when I saw the most recent issue of Novum magazine, this one devoted to exploring packaging from around the world. With a simple concept, clean design, and featuring a new line of colorful labels, the German magazine reminds us that with just the right dab of creativity, print can be every bit as interactive as digital media. And in this case, they allow you to create your own magazine cover, every bit as quirky and unique as you are. Right out of the gate, Printer Letterjazz shook things up by dividing the 10,000 copy print run into 3 parts. Letterpress printing the cover on 3 different shades of color plan gray: pale gray, real gray, and cool gray. That wraparound cover features the always charming artwork of regular Letterjazz collaborator Dirk Uhlenbrock, who also designed the cover and labels. This is already an arrestingly tactile experience, with the deep impression of the letterpress printing subtly bringing the illustration of the truck and its contents to life. But wait, Novum and Letterjazz are just getting started. Perfect bound in just before the letter from the editor is one of ColorPlan's new range of label sheets. And I say one of, as you might get either candy pink, park green, or factory yellow. Each one of them is cut into several distinct label shapes. Not only did Letterjazz letterpress print these, but they also gave them the finishing touch using Curt's high gloss hot foil. Simply remove the stickers from the sheet and place them wherever it feels just right for you, on the front or back cover, and voila, an issue of Novum that is uniquely your own. And this is just the cover of the Novum magazine. I can't wait to check out the fabulous packaging projects featured inside. Of course, I don't just love the piece because it encourages interactivity, but also because of the simplicity of the idea that you can easily borrow for a wide variety of projects. Wish you could take this fabulous magazine cover for a test drive? Well, if you are a PaperSpecs VIP member, you will find a copy of this amazing Novum magazine in your next VIP box. Not a VIP member yet? What are you waiting for? This is so much more than just a box. It's a very inspiring package full of delicious design ideas. Sign up to become a member at PaperSpecs.com right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you share it with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.